There was a time when everything felt grounded, predictable, safe. We built our lives close to the surface, surrounded by structure, by routine, by what felt certain. But somewhere along the way, something shifted. A quiet desire began to rise, not for more, but for something lighter, something freer. It wasn't loud, it didn't demand attention. It whispered, a longing to break away from what holds us down, to create space where there once was weight, to find beauty not in what we add, but in what we remove. And in that space, something extraordinary began to emerge. What once felt heavy started to feel effortless. What once stood still began to feel like it could move. There was a new kind of balance forming, one that didn't rely on excess, but on intention. It became less about filling every corner and more about letting things breathe, about trusting that emptiness isn't absence, but presence in its purest form. There's a strange kind of luxury in that, not loud, not obvious, but deeply felt. It's in the quiet moments, in the stillness between movement, in the way something can exist and yet feel untethered at the same time. This is where everything changes, because when you stop holding on so tightly, you begin to rise. And when you rise, you start to see things differently. The world opens up, perspectives shift. What once seemed impossible suddenly feels within reach, not because it became easier, but because you became lighter. And maybe that's what this was always about. Not just creating something beautiful, but creating something that feels like freedom, something that doesn't just exist, but floats. And in that feeling, you realize you were never meant to stay grounded forever.